So one day from closing and you get a phone call from your realtor that says that the buyers cannot get insurance for your home. Wow. This happened to one of my clients this week. And the good news is that they are closing 3 days later, but they had a very well cared for home. They've owned it for 15 years. They had one claim on insurance. It was a leaking sink in the kitchen that caused damage to their basement ceiling. And the first carrier dropped the insurance the day before settlement because of previous claims on the property. The second one would carry them, but for an exorbitant rate, and only after getting a plumbing inspection that was fairly invasive and would have caused us to have to do some repair after the fact. Fortunately, they finally found a carrier that was reasonable and didn't require exorbitant measures. But as a seller or just as a homeowner, you have to think, what do I need to do to prepare myself to make sure that that doesn't happen? Because we don't know what the insurance carriers are going to say. And the best thing that we can think of is consider doing a pre-sale home inspection. Even if the buyer does one, that's great. But in this particular case, the buyer didn't do a home inspection. And so we could address those types of things in advance if there had been any other leaking, or we could have provided that inspection report to show, hey, this guy went through the house and he didn't see anything wrong with it. A specific inspection that's tailored around any claim that you know you made, whether it was a roof claim, so going up in the attic, having someone check the roof, in this case a plumbing inspection for leaky pipes, corrosion, and so forth, might also be a good idea, just to sort of, prep the battle space for what an insurance carrier may find and may cause as a problem, may create as a problem for you as you go to sell your home. Hope this was helpful. We've got lots more tips for you on our website, at our upcoming event with the seller workshop. So thought this would be helpful. Tuck it away for when you need it. Call us if you have more questions. Bye-bye.